Can I do an order of the chive and pork?
Pan fry?
Yeah, please.
Anything else?
Yeah, can I also get the vegetable pancake sandwich?
Okay, that's it?
And can I get a side order of the cucumber? When I first moved to New York, I feel like Vanessa's was like the staple. It was a, you come here and get like an entire meal for $5. I think back then it was like 4 or 5 dumplings for like $1. Now they're like $5.50. Still super good. They have like this like sriracha sauce that's got like vinegar or something mixed in with it. But yeah, dumplings, still good. Here, you get 8 now for $5.50. So the price is a little bit different. They're a little bit smaller. But yeah, there's that, and I got, this is that sesame pancake sandwich right here. Super good. I like to get it with the veggies. I don't know, I always have. I think maybe just because I was always getting like, I'm putting down some of this sauce on here. Oh God, I'm gonna spill everything. What am I doing? But I figured maybe because I was always getting like the pork and chive dumplings, maybe I just get the veggie one. I don't know why I always did it, but I always have. It's super good, especially when you like put some of that sauce on it. I got sesame seeds all over my hand. Okay, yeah, and the last thing I got today is this cucumber salad. Like spicy, sour cucumber. Shit. Like I said, back in the day, you'd come here and get, I would get 2 orders of dumplings, which would be 8 dumplings. That was $2. The veggie pancake sandwich was like $1.50 at the time. And then like a drink or something like that, like a bottle of water, you come up to like $5. Still not a bad deal. I think this is the original location, but they also had one on 14th Street, and they also opened up one in Williamsburg. The Williamsburg one is still there, but the 14th one is long gone. For a while, it was like a different dumpling place. And now it's like some weird like fried chicken arcade thing, like a Korean fried chicken place or something like that. I feel like this is such like an OG spot for me from when I first moved here 16 years ago.